What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today I'll be installing this blonde wig, which was made by me, and I will also be doing my face. So, before I jump into this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And of course, follow me on all my social medias, guys. So, if you want to see how I transform to this, then stay tuned if you want to see the finished look. Alright, guys, so I'm just gonna go straight into this video. As you can see, I've gone off camera, or I did my eyebrows off camera. So I'm just gonna do the eye makeup, install my hair, and that will be the end of this video. Alright, guys, so I'm just gonna go in and I'm gonna do the eye makeup. But before I do that, I'm gonna introduce my girl Shelly right here, my blonde wig. So I made this wig a long time ago and never wore it, so I finally get the chance to try it on. Alright, I'm not gonna wear it to anywhere, so I'm just gonna do the video right here, and it's just gonna upload to my YouTube channel, and that will be it. Anywho, guys, so I'm just gonna go in with my The Party palette by Santee, and I think that's the only palette I'll be using for today. Yes, that's the only palette. Here we go. So we're gonna go, guys, I'm gonna go in with this pink eyeshadow, but before I do that, I'm just gonna base my eyelid and prime my face. I'm going in with my NUX primer. I just got this primer, by the way, guys. So I'm just gonna prime my face, and then I'm gonna come back. Alright, guys, I'm just gonna grab my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm going to base my eyelid with this color. It's in the color of fawn, so I'm just gonna use a little to base my eyelid. So now I'm gonna go into my crease with this pink eyeshadow that I told you about. It doesn't have a name, so we're gonna go in with the pink eyeshadow into the crease, and I'm going to pat it in and then blend it out. As soon as I finish doing the crease, I'll come back. So now that we've done blending our crease, we're now gonna cut our crease. I'm gonna use a concealer to make a round circle on the top of my eyelid, on both eyelids. Once I've done that, cut away. So now I'm gonna go in with this blue shimmer shade, and I'm going to pot it in right in the section where you see I'm putting it in the middle of my eyelid, in the shape of the cut crease. Yep. So I'm just gonna pat that in, and I'm going to keep patting it in until I am satisfied with how it is looking. Then I'll move on. Alright, so now I'm gonna add this dark blue to the shimmer from the same palette that I was telling you about, the Party Palette by Santee, and I'm going to add a little depth to the top of my eyelid. So I'm going in with this green blue in that area. So I went in off camera and I did my wings, and it seems as if I have two wings on the top of my eyes. But anywho, that's the shape of the cut crease for now. So I did the wings off camera, and now I am moving on to my eyelashes. Alrighty guys, so I finished applying my eyelash off camera, and now I'm just going in to highlight my under eye, my nose, my above my lip, and of course the master of putting on any good makeup is ensuring that it is blended out properly. gonna contour my cheekbones, my forehead, and I don't really contour my nose, guys, just because my nose is already straight to some point. I don't really fancy the whole contour nose thing. However, sometimes I do it, but I'm not gonna do it in this video. Alright, so I'm just gonna contour my cheekbone, my forehead, and then I'm gonna go in with powder. And in case you're wondering, guys, I don't use foundation, so I normally use powder after I highlight my face, the places that I want to highlight. Then I go in with my face powder to complete the look. Alright, so I don't use foundation, and that's just it. So now I'm gonna go in with my Jumbo Black Ink Black Eyeliner Pencil, and I'm gonna add some black to my under eye. I'm gonna try to give it a smoky effect to that point. Alright, and there we have it. Alright, guys, so this lipstick that not lipstick, lip gloss that I'm about to put on is from Beauty Collections with a Z. She's on Instagram. You can check her Instagram page out. And go follow her. So I bought this lip gloss from her. She also sells lip scrub, face mask, and many other stuff. Alright? Alright. This is the moment I've been waiting for. This is the transformation. Here we go. Let's see. Boom. And there we have it. The transformation has started. So guys, as I mentioned before, I made this wig a long time ago. I even have it on my Instagram page. That's my business page. I wanted to start a business, but it hasn't been started as yet. But I still post the hairs and stuff on my other Instagram account. Anywho, I'm gonna fix this. Stay tuned to see the finished look. Alright, I'm gonna stop the talking right about now. Enjoy the rest of the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And of course, drop a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this look, because I am in love with it, man. In love. have it, guys.